Absolutely. We own a large portfolio, broadly diversified, of Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt upscale rooms-focused product with low debt and managed by exceptional third-party operators. Our strategy has enabled us to produce strong cash dividends and has been allowed us to be relatively stable, with additional upside coming through appreciation in the value of the assets over time. We have been in the hospitality business for about 25 years now and have been listed on the New York Stock Exchange for 10. We have always been a REIT. We've found that structure is tax efficient and resonates with a broad number of investors. The pandemic, in actuality, accelerated some positive trends for our industry. I think focusing people on the value of experiences and connection. And as a result, post-pandemic, we've seen a meaningful increase in leisure travel, which has benefited us specifically around weekends. We've also seen continued improvement in business travel, all with the backdrop of limited supply growth because of higher construction costs and challenges getting new deals done. The supply-demand dynamics are incredibly favorable for our business and have put us in a position to move rate more meaningfully over the past several months. Certainly the world seems to have become more volatile. We are fortunate to have been in the business for 25 years. We got into the business immediately before the 9/11 attacks and have been in the business through the great financial crisis and now COVID. And over that period of time, we've refined our strategy in ways that have helped us to outperform through economic cycles. I think certainly given our experience over the past decade or so, we feel it's important that we're ready for the unexpected. Thinking back on our strategy, broadly diversified portfolio, upscale select service hotels, low debt, all of those elements help to ensure that regardless of what happens, we're in a strong position to perform well. Our strategy actually is somewhat unique. Most of our peers are focused on big box, full service and luxury hotels. Our strategy has enabled us to be more broadly diversified and to appeal to the broadest customer base. In our conversation earlier, you highlighted that we own the types of hotels that people stay in. And we've found that our strategy, focusing on core consumers with product that appeals to both leisure and business travelers, partnering with the strongest brands in the industry and incredibly talented third-party operators, and best of all, having low debt, all of that differentiates us from our peers and really has helped us to outperform over the past decade.